shocker, I'm out of fuel, but I do have my phone this time, so I can get some fuel. All right, I'm almost at the marina. It'd be nice to not be in the fucking wind. They did a nice job out here. They put new docks up. All that's new. Looks good. I'll get some fuel. Okay, got fuel. Shitty out still. Look how beautiful this is. There was another boat out, another crazy motherfucker, but it was a sailboat, so that checks. I can only go 10 miles an hour. Oh God, I'm stupid. When I got gas, I did tell the ladies where I think I'll be camping. So if I don't make it back, send the troops. Fuck, is it bad though? Okay, coming up to my spot. Yeah, pretty. There's another crazy bugger out there. Two of us. Two. I got something. Yeah, fish on. I think it's a, I don't know what it is. I think it's a jackfish maybe. Little. Yeah, it's a jackfish. You know what? I can eat him though. He's pretty small though. Pretty small. I don't have a leader or nothing on, so you don't want to rip him off. Oh, you fucker. Okay. Yeah, he's pretty small. Pretty small. I don't know if you can see that. Sean! I got an anchor boat. So exciting. What do we got? I'm guessing walleye. Ooh. Yeah, little walleye. Not bad though. I'll eat him. I will eat him. Eat, 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 eat. Okay, this will be a perfect spot. It's nice and flat. Got my gear. Boat's there. Trees. Hells yeah. Go. And my favorite part is my little pillow, my little tiny pillow. 70 bucks, but so worth it. So worth it. So good. Yeah. You're not as pretty much got her. Just need to sleeping bag. I didn't get the heavy duty one, but it's still a good one. Nice and cool too. There we go. She's good for -1. These pillows actually fit inside of these hoods. So that's wild. There we go. I'm gonna get the stove and stuff ready, and we'll cook a fish up. Got my electric filleter. I like it. Works good. Batteries last forever. Okay. I'll try to get all the meat we can off it. I'll put these in before I drop them. That. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Shake. Okay. She's blaring, yo. Better get this water out. Oops. I'll pick that up later. Okay. Yummy. She hot. I forgot I had these. Wild, man. Makes it a bit easier. Makes it a bit easier. Very good. Fucking hot though. Very hot. Boom. I sucked lately. Oh, I don't want that cool. I don't want that cool down. Haha. It's been raining. Made some tea. Tastes like shit. And yeah, just watching a movie on Netflix. There's my little setup. So gonna watch a movie and go to bed. I'll see you in the morning. Okay. So that was good. I didn't sleep that well, but there was like a fish fucking jumping or slapping the water. It was pretty cool. But it seems pretty calm out. So I'm gonna try to catch a fish. It's cold. Not really cold. But my back hurts. I don't know. I just didn't sleep good. But yeah, gonna get a sweater on and we're gonna throw a jig in here and just try to fish it. See what happens. Alright. Oh, nice morning. Nice morning. Boat's still there. Yeah, boys. A giant cup of tea. Oh, that is pretty. I am packing up my stuff. It's cold. So yeah, that was fun though. I wonder what that was slapping the water last night. It was like almost like a beaver smacking his tail. I don't know, it's weird. But anyways, gonna pack up, go on the boat, maybe do some fishing, and get a coffee. Alright. Camp's cleaned up. Ready to rock. Fish on. Here's a walleye. Still fighting. I'll get the net. Damn. Let's see what we got. Oh, it's a nice one. Okay. Okay. That'll work. Gotta be careful. Oh, fuck him. I'll just grab him. Okay. The little pill. The little pill. Worked like a charm. Oh, I barely got him though. Unless he spit it out. Oh yeah, look at that. Damn. Gotta retie it. Got to retie it. But yeah. Oh. Oh. Oi. Oi. Oh. Ah. What a fucking gong show. Anyways, there he is. Not the best, but holy shit. Nice one. Oh, that is a decent one. Oh shit, well, that's something. Oh yeah. Fish on. Nice one too. Alright. Okay, fish on. My last leech. And this is my number 4, so that's my limit. Nice size. Nice size. He's still got some fight in him. Lots of fight in him. Damn. Oh, let's see if I can scoop him. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay. There he is. Number 4. Number 4. Oh, yeah. These little hooks, eh? It's crazy. They can catch these guys. Anyways. Little poser. Nice little eater. Okay, well. That concludes my fishing adventure, because this is number 4. Oh yeah, happy Canada Day, yo!